Hi! In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. You need to begin by accessing Tap menu. In order to do that, swipe down from the top right corner. Now click on this white padlock. After that, auto rotation is disabled. If you wish to switch it back on, click on the same icon, now with a red padlock on a white background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!